Learn trading strategies through opening range and gap fills with a Google Trade example.
And see how these break out in real time with the stocks that I traded today. So let's jump over to the charts. All right, so the first stock that I want to review is this Google trade. If I go back to the daily chart, there's kind of a key thing that we saw here. If you see this box drawn out, this is a gap that was created from the stock jumping down from this point here back in July down to here on July 24th. And we created this gap that ultimately needed to get filled. It did fill here, ended up going to the downside, but we broke above this gap level. So specifically what we saw was this 180-134 level. So overnight, if we now jump to the 4 hour, we can see that pre-market, we broke straight through this, gapping up overnight. We completely blew through what was forming here on the 4 hour chart, which effectively was this double top high that we had, a lower low that was created, and we broke through this double top high, which was the top of this zone of this gap fill. And so we ended up seeing that breakout overnight. So what I was interested in was to capitalize on that momentum that we effectively saw with that breakout.